All right, we're back here at Sunset Cliffs. We're in the middle of our prep process for the paint job here. As you can see, all of our stucco patches, we use a very special product. It's a La Habra sandable stucco finish. Really great when you could patch a crack and actually sand over it to create a nice even flow. A lot of guys out there will use like a textured caulking. The negative to that is after you're done painting it, it creates like these veins in the stucco. So when you look at it in the sun, you could see the lines from the old cracks. When we do a patch like this, you don't see any lines and it comes out really nice.